Imagine you wake up and forget your girlfriend or wife's birthday and plan to book the surprise vacation. Booking a vacation today still feels like juggling hundred of things. Flights here, hotels there, ride share somewhere else. What if all those services could simply talk to each other and plan a trip for you? Now, picture this. A single tap on your phone and poof, your flights are booked. The beachfront hotel is sorted. A car is waiting at the airport and your visa application is already in the system. No endless tab, no copy pasting the confirmation numbers, just a handful of software agents chatting politely behind the scenes to make your dream vacation real and definitely saving your relationship. Hi there. I am Siddharth Verma, a lead AI developer with Ultimate Chronos Group, working closely with other product based organizations like Google, MongoDB, LangChain, LangGraph, and much more. I have been building products with AI and agents for more than 5 years now. In last 1 year itself, I have taken more than 100 of interviews, delivered many knowledge sessions within organization. Now I have realized with great powers with comes great responsibility. And with this, I introduce to you Project Marvel Code Lab, dedicated to latest AI learning for college and experienced individual like you. In the next 11 bite-sized video, you are going to understand Google's brand new agent-to-agent or A2A protocol. Code along in Python, starting with Google's own Hello World example and leveling it up into a smart personal assistant following A2A. Deploy an enterprise-grade multi-agent project that talks, streams, and scales securely. Now the question is, why should you care about A2A? No, if you are a college student, you have already learned HTTPS. It's time that you should know A2A because A2A is the future of how most of the communication will take place over the internet. As a developer, you're already writing new APIs which glues each and every microservices. Now, what A2A gives you is a single SDK where many agents communicate at the same place. For an enterprise architect, you're already worrying about security and auditing sprawl. A2A gives you existing TLS and OAuth out of the box. Now let's stay back on your vacation example. You have booked your flight for Goa and you're on the beach. And this is a perfect metaphor. You are the traveler and you have stated a goal that take me to Goa next month for my vacation to surprise my girlfriend or wife and save my relationship, right? So what will happen is a flight bot finds you a seat, a hotel bot grabs your room, and a visa bot checks your paperwork. They negotiate schedules, prices, and requirements with each other, not with brittle of APIs you built at 2 a.m. That elegant back and forth is exactly what A2A standardizes. A common language so agent can collaborate, delegate, and stream updates no matter who wrote them or what stack they use. What exactly is A2A now? Formally, A2A is open source standard built on boring but beautiful HTTP plus JSON RPC. It introduces three powerhouse ideas. One is task, that is the user goal. Second is messages, the conversation which takes place around that goal. And third are the artifacts, the results, whether it could be a PDF ticket or a chunk of JSON data, etc. If REST is request response, think of A2A as goal and assist. Agents negotiate task, stream partial result, and can even hand off to another agent without you rewriting APIs every 6 months. And because the real world isn't always instant, A2A is async first. Agent can stream partial result or ping you back later via webhooks. The A2A is completely around this powerhouse idea, and it has built-in TLS, OAuth, logging, and tracing so that you don't have to write all this repetitive work again. The roadmap of this complete series to learn A2A is based on every query segment is followed immediately by code. So you never wait long before you type. That's how we'll get there. In next video, we will crack open those tasks, messages, artifacts with zero chat. In video 3, let's learn 3 ways agents talk. In fourth video, what we'll do is we'll run Google's official Hello Agent program in under 5 minutes. And then we'll upgrade it, add discovery, security, async, and finally make it into a multi-agent project in real time. So what's next for you? Grab Python 3.10 or newer, clone the sample repo link below, even brew a coffee, and meet me in video 2. Drop your wildest agent ideas in the comment section. Whether it bot, it could be study buddies, smart toaster, any agent idea, any AI idea that you have, give me. Let's build them together. I'm Siddharth Verma. This is Mastering Google's A2A with Python. And your journey starts now. See you in the next video.